and welcome to this new video on how to translate by voice in Google Translate. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Google web browser. After that, in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar. Now you just have to type Google Translate and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Google Translate. Just click on it. Now the Google Translate interface will be opened, and there are two different boxes. One is in left hand side and another is in right hand side. So right hand side box is for the translation and left hand side box is where you will enter the text or images or documents in order to translate to another language. And in order to translate by voice, you can just look in the left box, and in the bottom left corner in the left box there is an mic icon. When you override it, it says translate by voice. So you can just click here and you just need to allow for a microphone to be used. After that, you can just speak and they will record it and they will translate by voice. So this is how you can easily translate by voice in Google Translate. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.